How to launch the Jupyter Notebook in your Windows 11. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can launch the Jupyter Notebook in Windows 11. So as you know that the Jupyter Notebook in Windows 11 can be launched using the Anaconda Navigator. So the first requirement that you need to fulfill is to download the Anaconda Navigator. So if you don't know how to download the Anaconda Navigator, then you can find videos related to the same onto our channel, but I will briefly demonstrate you how you can download the Anaconda for your Windows 11 so that you can have a rough idea how to launch the Jupyter Notebook into that. So to download the Anaconda, simply open any web browser of your choice and then search for Anaconda download. And once you will do that, you can see this first link from www.anaconda.com, and you need to go to this link, and in the distribution you can read about the same if you want, and then you need to click onto this skip registration button, and from here you can download the distribution installers according to your operating system. So currently I am on a Windows, so I'm gonna download the Windows version which is based on Python 3.12. So simply click onto this 64-bit graphical installer and this particular file will download. And then once the installer file downloads, you need to open it and follow the process as defined in the instructions to install the Anaconda into your Windows 11 computer system. So now after you are done installing the Anaconda, we will move on to launch the Jupyter Notebook in our Windows 11 using Anaconda. So to do that, move your cursor towards the bottom of your screen and when the taskbar appears, simply search for Anaconda. And here you will see this application that says Anaconda Navigator. So simply double click onto the Anaconda Navigator in order to launch the Anaconda Navigator application first. Now then, once the application will launch, we will use the Anaconda Navigator to launch the Jupyter Notebook in any web browser of our choice. So let's wait for the Anaconda Navigator to launch. And here you can see that our Anaconda Navigator has successfully launched. And now I will just simply show you how you can launch the Jupyter Notebook in this. So now once you are inside the screen, you can see the Jupyter Notebook into this menu, and it says web-based interactive computing notebook environment, edit and run human readable talks while describing the data analysis. So in order to launch the Jupyter Notebook, simply click onto this launch button and wait for the initialization process to begin. And it might ask you to select the browser in which you want to launch the Jupyter Notebook. So here you can see that it is now redirecting me to Google Chrome, and it has successfully opened the Jupyter Notebook from here, and using this I can create new files or projects and use it to create new programs as well. So that's how easily you can open the Jupyter Notebook in your Windows 11 using the Anaconda toolbox or the Anaconda Navigator. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.